Hello, my name is Tushar Bhagat and I got 93% in class 12th board exams. Today I want to thank Mr. Ankush Kotwal, Mr. Upinder Singh and all the Brainwave faculty who taught me very well, and also during these COVID times they gave their 100% so that I can succeed. As we all know that a good teacher creates an environment for the student to succeed and achieve their goals, and the same environment I got at Brainwave.
Hello everyone, my name is Mehak Mehra and I got 92.4% in my 12th board exams. All the credit goes to the teachers of Brainwave Institute who believed in me, and due to this I got 93 marks in physics, 92 in chemistry, 94 in mathematics and 95 in English. And I would like to thank you for being such an amazing teacher and for teaching us a great lesson.
Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Sharma and I secured 87.4% in class 12th in science stream. This is because of our Brainwave tutorial actually. They taught us very well and guides the students as well. Especially thanks to Ankush sir and Upinder sir also for brightens our future, and I would like more and more students go to Brainwave and gain new things. Thank you.
Greetings to my teachers, dear friend and all the listeners. Firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to introduce myself and my teachers to all of you. My name is Mehak Mehra. I am basically a non-medical student in Brainwave tutorial. I am very happy with my 12th results as I have scored 94% marks in class 12th. I am very thankful to my mentors Mr. Ankush Kotwal, Mr. Upinder Singh and Mr. Anshul Gupta, who helped me, guided me and teached me very nicely and very well during this COVID-19 pandemic. It is because of the quality teaching provided by my teachers and a huge support given from my mother that I square.
Hello, my name is Aditi Sharma. I got 94% in class 12th. As we all know that the students are the nation builders, but the main founder of the builders are the teachers. Today, I want to tell you about the staff of Brainwave Institution. I am very lucky to have so much good teachers in my life who helped me in every possible way. I got 98 out of 100 in physics, and it's all because of my physics teacher, Mr. Ankush Kotwal, who taught me so well even in the COVID times.
I secured 95% in my board exams. I would like to express my sincere thanks to all my teachers. I secured 99 marks in physics, and all this credit goes to my brilliant teacher Ankush Kotwal, owner of Brainwave Institute. He always inspired me and appreciated me. He activated a hunger of knowledge and wisdom, inspiring me to plan my future and become a better individual.
Hello everyone, I am Asha Jyoti from Brainwave Institute of Learning. Currently, I have cleared my 12th in medical field and have secured 92.2% in it. I dedicate my success to Brainwave Institute of Learning, and my hearty thanks to Mr. Ankush Kotwal sir who taught me physics. I shared a wonderful experience in this institute. Honestly, one could never feel pressurized while studying here. The fee structure is itself a great relief for almost every parent who wants to provide quality education to their children. And also, the faculty member is so interactive and so friendly with the students that it makes studies much more easier and joyful for us. I would strongly recommend everyone to come to this institute and secure good results just like other students of this institute and I did today. Thank you.
My name is Kunal Gupta. I am from Jammu. I have scored 471 marks in class 12 and all the honor goes to the Brainwave. Brainwave is the reason for my good marks. Brainwave के teachers well educated, hard working के साथ साथ बहुत ही helpful भी हैं, especially for weak students. So thank you to all the teachers of Brainwave and especially Ankush sir to lead me the path of the great success.
Hello friends, this is Manveer Singh and I got 95% in class 12th in non-medical section. You want to know the reason? The reason behind my this score is Brainwave Institute. Now all of us know that each and every student can learn and succeed, but not in the same way and not in the same day. Everyone has its own capability to grab up something, and this is the point where the role of teacher comes into play. Now it is rightly said that a teacher is a profession which builds all the other professions. And I especially want to thank Mr. Ankush Kotwal, my physics faculty, for teaching me physics so well so that I was able to get 95 out of 100 in physics.
हाय एवरीवन, मेरा नाम रजत शर्मा है और मैं आज आप सबसे एक न्यूज़ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ कि मेरे 12th क्लास के फाइनल बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में मैंने 95.4 मार्क्स अचीव किए हैं, जिसमें मेरे 98 मार्क्स हैं आउट ऑफ 100 इन फिजिक्स और इंग्लिश में मेरे 92 मार्क्स हैं आउट ऑफ 100। और जो मैंने कोचिंग है, ट्यूशन सेंटर मैंने ब्रेन वेव ट्यूटोरियल से ली है, जो कि तालाब तिल्लो में है, जहाँ के ओनर हैं अंकुश सर। और अंकुश सर ही हैं जो वहाँ पे फिजिक्स पढ़ाते हैं और उपिंदर सर हैं जो इंग्लिश पढ़ाते हैं एंड केमिस्ट्री जतिन सर पढ़ाते हैं। तो मैं आप सबको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि वहाँ की जितनी भी फैकल्टी और स्टाफ और टीचर्स हैं, सबके सब बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्टिव हैं। उन्हीं की वजह से आज हमारे कोचिंग सेंटर का इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट आया है, सभी के इतने अच्छे मार्क्स आए हैं। और साथ ही साथ जितने भी टीचर्स हैं आपके डाउट क्लियर करने के लिए हमेशा रेडी रहते हैं। आप उनसे 10 बार पूछिए, 50 टाइम्स पूछिए, आप उनसे 100 टाइम्स पूछिए। और जो नोट्स हैं उनके बिल्कुल एकदम इजी लैंग्वेज में है, खास करके अंकुश सर और उपिंदर सर के और जतिन सर के सबके नोट्स एकदम इजी लैंग्वेज में, आपको बिल्कुल सब कुछ समझ आ जाता है। और मतलब उस ट्यूशन में, उस कोचिंग सेंटर में टीचर्स स्ट्रिक्ट भी हैं और साथ ही साथ वो फ्रेंडली भी हैं, तो इसलिए आप कभी भी शाय फील नहीं करते हो उनसे कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए। और सबसे बेस्ट बात जो मुझे अंकुश सर की कोचिंग सेंटर की लगती है ये कि उस ट्यूशन के जो दरवाजे हैं हर एक बच्चे के लिए खुले हैं।